Mwanchumulilia ondizi TV nkwali nivene ase entunda yende imejo moroberio bwensa kia ase mambi abano kumanyinga nigo abagani twakanyete babero ikirana ase studio emambi abano beali nitibene ase ogosanga 90 anemono igoro ijobokoleri bwabo ase eskuru elia ekurwa magelio ya Kisi Impact Institute of Science and Technology baba gosanga 90 amange anemono igoro ijobokoleri bwabo bwakire buja karibu sana imejo muroberio bwensa ke mwantu mwere Ndizi TV sanga nendo tera senchiro mtandao ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News na tera mtandao ito www.ndizitv.net ase imambi ya abono ase igo na boto mama boli au na boigo ebirengere bya wetera sina mete SMS 0792928834 bono ase nchira jabene ase fedo murelia Ndizi TV ogo kubalilia situkoli tangani tuchakira sensema direct tumanyango amalie tago ainingo naende inkiokora ase eskuru eye ya Kisi Impact
ambia mono muralia itangani digangiriri wageri kwalikania watu watase TV tu ya Ndizi TV ainde mbakwani mambi abono asa malia tenchengoro kupatu sikinyabayo injanomo director se college ya Kisi Impact Institute of Science and Technology yes.
Alright, ere buya tochi asensemo yoyo liyotenita mangana alingeti obwerelia.
Na bakwandi mwezi wakirelia. Asa marita nkorokus hospital simu. Nterelete obwera ni bwa magana asa skuli to ya Kisi Impact Institute of Science and Technology. Asa obengi to korokunga kist.
Ere buya kigima tali tukoli talento kobarra tora bararenga no ento bigeta maralia ino ase TV ya Ndizi TV go muri Ndizi TV bireka kubayugwa rekolindera yaro twa baleta bene mwe mugwe kwanira kigima mwe tumanyia amange igoro yeskuru eye yaine korwa amagelio tuchakira sensema director tumanyia ngo mwaka kyoyo kwa bete gochaka eskuru eje na boigo inkie kikya bete gosukuma anemono gochakia eskuru eje yokurwa amagelio
Kisi Impact ne college ya Beira ono ni mwaka gatano na kokwana twaichage 2019 with ekerenga kene kyake tukachakia college yeye ni twaroche taizaka in our local town Kisi even within Kisi na Nyamira ni county chine kitweta 9 una nchomo nyene na Beira samangana ya yobo yeskuru atina administrator in different colleges in Kisi na Beiro mwalimu so miro so university gona na rolo muchandoro umuchando monene ogerete tukachake college no ligna okonyora most of our graduates abanafunzi abange bakora masomo abango okonyora umwana wosomo kole school lakini tari gonyara gukora kitigente asomewo igota is a problem ya mismatch ya skills abana bakwa school na negento kiganirite as the market need igobono umuchando noro muno okero konyora umwana osomire diploma osokore certificate lakini umwana yo gokomulete no ani interview ga osoma umwana okore media ari kunyara igo ikira kiagerete kigatusukuma because I've been working in different institutions na ende ngaro michandero bono the only way you solve the problem here no uchakia college elinde I preach the cap yero
yes ere buya kigima tukocha sensemo ya sospita ndo maitenga traba ase college ya samatuka mange kurende nga ainayo teneta mangana yo bwerelia naende naye okonia college ye bose institute nayo koyoni gochia sabantu igogo iko otwarege ntugyo otenerete ane mono kegerete nga ondrete kokora emerimo nabaro inki kikabete kwa chinguru cyo okora emerimo na Kisi Impact
mbia mona seriswali rio moraria na egento gekonga omoyo ndegeko beka chinguru kokora na Kisi Impact Kisi Impact ne school eri togote abangatari ogote bigo admit omwana kwa mubugori kwa mukoro gochia sigete na so mwana ko admitted osomero roba kokora facilities chiroro chire modern onye ne chilab chito del modern labs au mwana nago sororo kiregen tata itenwa konyora tari onye ne for example we have our technical courses our technical courses nturiko goli bana baende practical bachiko kwa rumu chigo muntu mungao ibago chikolere school yito mari onye ni abana bakora gose mechanics ne gali bakorosi gali minto yasoka yagenda tari gali yomu tari bako to kwa bugol to bayire gose ne garage yomuntu onye nabana bakora mangana yo cross chisimi tari to ko bayira bachikoros chisimi chimotorora chichia kwete kare iba kora ibintu bire modern equipment na modern with modern laboratories nento kende chi lecture to bwate they are qualified na abantu ba understand the needs of the society na kia bana ba wente koirwa ba kobakonya. Another thing, we have flexible learning whereby bono tutabencho no monia nuondo biskurumambi baka maragoba na bonko schedule class intebe tigana so class maybe saa 12 mpaka saa 2 na gendo egasi nende nera na saa 11 mpaka saa 1 na soma na nyako gende egasi na egento kende ntobwate the school registered the Ministry of Higher Learning, Ministry of Education, whereby nyona matemu ito nduri kuira bana isiko bachiko korero abana nigo bakora matemu minto. So it motivates me to work as a yani ora assured you are not a concern sia ikerantenga eyendo ko ni kerebo maende aneyendo kora is true.
Ere bujekima oberote banga eskuru ino nelikiri ne serikali na boigo ekiombekelia kia higher learning institutions gigocha ase ensemo ya toeto koranga chi courses wose chikore jinchiro konyoranga chire ase chinsemo au omwana endoso mukure miaka ya wose miaka ebere omwaka oyomo kawe kaisikata nga isakariliao ndiancheri aibuno mo director njira kieye urabiko kwenekereria omurigeria on Ndizi TV nga mwirige tibene asenjira ya bene na boigo omwana ka konyora chisemya se skuru yeino nchichiko neri sakarara atumeke konyore miremo bisende yonse
again take tanga ninte to kwana as a middle level college talk about cover activity naende into examining modis into what chiwo examine abana into egasimo to okora bune school no korokereria kire twakurira gosomia examining body chiro chire cheserikali na bono into what examining body kianek kikere kiko test abana into what examining body go kwa NITA is National Industrial Training Authority ekine examining body cheserikali umwana gakurire agokora matemu na into what examining body kende ko ku JP is an international examining body iko examining body is Jones P ine body cheserikali iko into omwana ogocha gosoma Kiss Impact omwana ndo ogocha gosoma school ende yonse abane polytechnic ne abantu wapi amatembo akora na yamu iko bono tofauti teyo no yakiro omwana ogocha ende market agocha gotabe kuna bona aye tuli qualified because is a karobwate ni yake ama sakara bakoegwa au certificate chiri bakoegwa ne chimo ne serikali yekuru chonsi ya unakinta to work kishero muligereria una intuna Kiss Impact and one school in Kiss County we are the leading in terms of the services we are offering and the majority of the students ba so iregalia abange ba barura testimony and abanafunzi abange ba jira college kwetera abanafunzi bali bakosomo because of the services that we are offering. Yes.
Tutugarete asensemo yechikosi mokurwa. Tumanyango egati yechikosi mokurwa inse umoroberionek.
Chikosi echi ichibaganire ndagete ko chibeka bya nalyo mutayali arachibwate bya. Chikosi echi tuchibaganete. Ndubwate diploma level bano bakora diploma diploma mwana so diploma oike aba ukora form 4 enda bwate grade ike C minus o C plain na ende level ende tobegate ekorukwe certificate certificate ko mwana ke form 4 atwale D plain o C D plus na ende level ende bono tubwate ne atsan bono chikosi echi ine chiri mwana ondegwensi yakosoma na bano uri okorite form 4 na bano uri otegeta form 4 chikosi echi atsan mono tuchiruka technical courses iko bono chikosi echi ngo chinde ko chikwanira elinde abategali bachiwe buya bono tigancha kire chikosi cha diploma kwa buri chanek na bono next programs muna natika ukwana diploma na certificate ntubwate buna bune course ya secretary of studies secretarial studies ne course mwana in fact is one of the courses one gatota bakira tikek course one is kuri chobis chiko igurwa nebane lawyer kuri office no ane ga studio ubata secretary because it's a course which cuts across the company the secretary the school and everywhere so one a course you computerized secretarial studies omwana go so ese course yeyu ne course ko examine na NEC lakini nabo mwana ako chakera no grade minus ego into what stages and into what modulars mwana ogane ubate D minor na bako so secretarial studies so a program ya stages and stage 1 stage 2 stage 3 ego umwaka ne no so semi yake biro kuri osasoe modulars ngochinde kugurwe tofauti ya stages na modulars naende ekosi enda bono tobwate ne ya information technology bono isikorigereria everything that you are doing nowadays amana technology na kendenge yo no nyora akora without technology yobone kosi ya technology ere under certificate nere under diploma ekosi enda tobwate ya NEC tobwate business management abantu bali bagane tikumanyana kibako aho kuri biashara na umeta abantu bange babachakire biashara kiri mbali konyara singencho mbabwati skill yo kurani biashara ebyo kwani umuntu igoye gusina kiosk uri profit yonsi okora tari konyara ko take records yono umwana uganeti kumanyana kya ku manage business ekosi ya business management nero tubate kosi ndeko kwa human resource management no muntu uganeti go chako kwa office a manage human beings muntu uchukwa human resource manager no muntu bono uchukwa bune manager se company wose skuru wasandons ekosi yu nero naende kosi ndebono tubwate under NEC into tubwate kosi ya journalism and mass media ekosi ya journalism nere ngwe examine na NEC and tubwate examining body kia international yeko kwa JP or industrial qualification so kero mwana ago so skuru na bago chora iko chikosi jina kwanire inchira na diploma and inchire certificate ekosi ende tobwata ikuru social work and community development social work and community development yebono ne kosi umwana okukandi ocha gosoma iseko babuna no kandi tikosoma social work na umuntu arabone bono ekosi ya social work ngai na choko legacy usikurigere bono inaba community tobwata abantu ku social workers and then tobwata abantu ku community development tobwata community developers na community workers kero muchando ko bekenyoro abantu baro bagutumwa bachuko osemia abantu injira bagwente komenya injira bagwente ko gorigeti nabandi no nyaryo mukaso beira abantu baguchibatumwa basemina bono yantu kwate there is a program serikali ya role community workers kaite kwa re program eyu abantu bagutumwa ibinyoro banya gosemia abantu na bagwente komenya na bagwetanga na marwaire umuntu okolete ekosi ya social work inere gasi yako kora naenda bono naboko likune county naboko likune serikali gose naboko likunone ni nyagetali oso okoloro igobone kosi yeye is one of the courses that we offer naenda bono chikosi chinde tobwate cha technical programs for technical chi inde to chibeka byayiga technical programs echine chikosi togwanchira omwana okora neba takolete school kumeta abantu bande baro bakoira bono ncho okora kusene kosi ya addressing na abantu bali batakolete school book as we are speaking now ntubata wanafunzi bali no university bagochali base program ya bakora ikobona isako bakuno mwana naro obwato kugania okora chikosi chama oko una ya addressing kosi ya beauty therapy kosi ya plumbing umete plumbing ne kubeka manchi chinyumba nabone go sikulikereria when we had a pandemic 2020 amana covid abantu abangemba chiteka lakini manyo umuntu lekosomera umuntu someta electrical umuntu someta plumbing arumba banda tegas go chinyumba chaga ndrete kwagachwa naende stima abantu banda tegutumia umete bintu mbiro bine babona bunerabe utatike gutumia ine stima amanje bine bintu bire you can't avoid gutumia ono mwana ukalitiko somera magana ya plumbing ache kosi ese college itali umwana ukalitiko kora magana electrical installation kubeke stima se nyumba acha se college itu umwana uganeti gusomera magana yo gusona bona bona inere course bona ngambata abana bange umuntu kandi usona cyanga cyaba sibati uyibona akora dress making umuntu kandi ukora usona cyanga cyaba mura akora tailoring inere course bona ngambata abana bange chikosi cha technical chonspi ndo chibwatali nenda bona umwa course nero oyo menta kwanira ya motor vehicle mechanics motor vehicle mechanics is also another course toko vagali naenda bono egentongero nteto kukwana kingo chukole egente section yeyu abantu abangu maite basoire basomira no ana magana ya estima amagana yo cross chikali lakini umwana ukora gusoma takunyara korosi aseki umaite engineer abana bago chiba train wese kisukuru chinde kwanyoro umwana gusene gali ago traineriwa ne gali iri gusene engineer gusene gali asalegete no ago choro kibuna ki engineer ochoro kiwenere pati ye gali bono oso mukura pi lakini umwana isoko mwe gali ya asalegete takunyara korosi because at no given time umwana yanyorete chance yo kwenda korosi gali ekogenda bono how we do it differently into one school ya itokero umwana agosoa into une school ndo kwate garage asichigari asabana bakorokererwa esuku asichigari kiri kiko cyari no mwarimu bono konye gose bakosomwa mwana braking system kigari ngiro konyora kibwato mu cyano we brake kiro kibwate mu cyano we engine kiro kibwate cyo ememe cyano awawo ali no bono bako kibaronse bakegari yagenda bucyari umuntu ana nayo bono mwana yaga gore 6 months ono mwana ole comfortable yogoswa akolega yawe akolega sia yo munyanga Igobono chikosi chon spinjiralia na ende chinde nchiro chinge to bata short courses icho raga niko cha wasoma chikosi ne chinge we have over 70 courses. Yes.
All right. Erebuya kigimagingo cha sensemo yao so spita tomanyia ngo anemono asige ko mwana akobaga koira ase kisi impact na boko yebeka anemono okwane chikosi ko ire miaka ebere chikosi ko ire umwaka oyomo na boyigo chiri chiko ire metie nyindo chinga emetie nyetano na emone metie nyetatu na boyigo na botu chuteri gore anemono igore school fees mu wakani.
Buna director atebire nga chikosi chichire ichibagikaine nebiwango na boyigo chikosi mostly chia NEC diplomas chinyinge chikogenda semyaka ibire na certificate inchite chikogenda umwaka oyomo na ndinche chikogenda bako umwaka oyomo nenusu na boyigo technical courses chikogenda for 6 months na ndobwate chinde chi short courses vago korumuti nyoyomo 3 months mono na magana IC3 computer and then tobwate computer technician and tobwate HIV management ogenda for 3 months so echoni each course togo vagaria school na ende ngwate abangamba chuterie school fees ye totally teri nyinge na ende teri inke ni yere manageable na abayibori kero bachire gari omuyibori ngwe committee yare ntu bugati gento keringa mwana oselibu no miss class ngasengenjo labda omuyibori atara tumachibesa nto understand it yabo ibori bete karo omuyibori achine ngotebare nchi chibese gasiane ngokora gasirega naiga chibesa ndabe inkonyoro omwelibu mutinyi nalinda abe ngotuma chibesa oicha bono twagamba nera za school twabeke mikakati na kiarabe gagwa kana chibesa icho yabera raisi nto bwata abanafunzi gari umwanafunzi yakora boda oche osome class umwanafunzi muno yagote inchi chibesa ndabe ngwa kana gusine wiki nchiri bibere gusine chiri busato mwagamba muigwana mwacha se program ya eribna are committee wakana so by the end of the course kwanyoro mwana ya kante school fees yae atari go strain gobona abayigori karo mwara etira abana baino na lingane ni gotokoria raso bwagere toigwana nyone nchira mugwa kane school fees bona school yaitere yani ere comfortable nchira te torago tomere mwana agende
você ngeli bagase mo director bega kwanera mono igoro yo school fees ino to tebe ngo eye korenjeri
dibo kwa bolne ne rigia patiga ni vekega ngaite umucharo no lebo ne kaswa speaking ngaite no understand ya mangana ya funding model ya serikali ya leta ole tire shida sana no ana abantu wata understand it Basically, this new model, it is the only president who understands that model. Because we can't explain the abantu. Oh no, abantu are very classified. Ngana noko nyara kwabo. Ntubata bali vulnerable. Ntubata bali extremely need. Ntubata bali need and ntubata bali less need. Gobono, basically nabona abantu abanke babeire bisikonyoro mwana kolete school abwata uzini airplane lakini ta konyara ko junior university because of the school fees. There's no scientific method to make a classify abana like when abana bange they are not managing waswaki school because of the school fees. School fees kirego ogote uone serikali ya waka ni gosekole kwenye band 5 na ya waka ni 50% na ya waka ni 50%. Meta 50% wana ile school the universities and the colleges they raise the school fees. Umwana wa university wana is over 200,000 ya waka no mwaka. So if you are told to pay 50%, it's almost 100,000. Gobono ile tokele tu kwana ngelina in college ya Kiss Impact. I was trying to look at those classifications. Band 1 na abantu bali vulnerable. Chiba saba wakana it's 5% ya school fees. 5% ya you intune robo to charge na Kiss Impact. And school ya itu igere moderate, ere pocket friendly. Onye no mukoleli umete bono egento kerangere tinyara gutaja because kire course ni bwate school fee ya. Igo bono ni sekuni ya kwana course ye igeko ye chiba singa naiga na it might take time. Lakini egento tata na keri na school fees ya itu igere much friendly. In fact umwana waka less than 20,000. Okuri wasoma. So school fees yerenge naende no muntu uri ogotore chai. Neba no muntu uri okwendi pipipi. Neba no muntu uri okwagacha. Yani utabwati inchira yoko nyorebesa. Intuka agoje school gari intubwate ntukoroka installments. Igagojo dena kincho konyara kwane inkwaka na 2,000 every month. Chiba chikana 10,000. So within 3 months ina akore wakana. Igobono intungo tekerera tole nende we normally listen egento umuibulia ukwana iko amagane school fees. I want to say na chibasa chire chinge inchubake school we can give you a pronjo oligerelie nende if you go to our website go so mtandao Kiss Impact Institute, all the fees is there. In fact you can go for yourself baba so Facebook wali baligerelie kusina bako awake simie namba ngo chinde kwa we can send them the pronjos uyo ganeti ku check fine course ganeti abakoligerelie.
Ngocha sensemo yao sospita no matinga kera eskuru kwatebanga inu mukuru practical enyine tumanyango asensemo elie bindo ibwendreta koba ase gari ya bikoba konya abana gosoma use equipment na kimwero beti buna eskuru
buna eskuru na director feva ntobwate asabana bakoro automotive ntobwate well equipped garage whereby abana bakwenda basoma varos chigari varos pipipi up to chiaba go chase class ne ya tirari ntobwate the modern equipment chichararani chipono cha kisasa abana bakosomera tari bakorugari to batome gosinase gite bakomera ni machine asama tem chi machine tobwate gari nende na chiba kwa ramatem na chiba gotumeka go cha amana plumbing town you know chubnega sen ko grow na nigo baga some practical knowledge na bako nyora ne kero bako genda nyona attachment ibako enda bachi okora se site ono kwa nyoro mwana agokina ne skill yae kegenda kugaria so at the end of the day abana abaito digere nyona banga se bachi the attachment ibako attachment bacha bakora matemba ira no chikasi oche nyora ne class bito bya journalism igo tobwate the modern state of art studio whereby nyona abana kero bako rugari bagocha chi attachment nyona you can bear witness as a very attachment gega you end up cover absorb baba you know so that one because of environment to buy thing ya so nyona se ba kwenda de iba kwenda batigerieta na boy gobna na go te ya magane electronics chi simini go bago rosary gari kwa nyora bona dendo mwana akuruga ya chikurikwa akuruga kabwate practical knowledge otebanga nche ndigeria ase town iga nyona abana bange bakorochi TV town yene chisimba na abana barwete kisimbat asing njo babwata that practical knowledge babwata masakara abo mondo tayo ko barakisha ko baseri kurwe town ye nyore ne addressing igari school nkorra abana ibago somigwa na inde bage kora practical bono kwanya nyona abana bari at the end of the day mwana utari go struggle because keria go soma a market already narrow one director tanga bana barobe university bagocha wacha okore course ya dressing so that igara as hostel ko kwanya na abana bakuminana egere banyora chibesa bono most yonya abana baba gwesomi ku from the what they have acquired to make a cross chibesa babande banyagwe akanire school fees so in fact, Kerogo Chakisi impact, you acquire those skills practically. By the end of the first month, second month, wasoira bosoi chibesa. Asing in Jogo apply those skills. Igari. Nyana wana baito ba wiring, electrical and wiring. Nyambarabu. Orige ribonu no nintugari maybe to tware go sino muchando mokego no bago toroseri nabo go ige yamane estima bona kero monta abga testima boy ono kwanya abana nyamba they running while they are schooling because ibago so mwe bintebi practical ono kwanya ra mwana agendereri aribia so na nyoyo branding norocha magana ya chigoroba chigase ne gotire taunie bakanto amajiti gotwaro muchando mwana gotenga ngo chande class in schedule class move ke saa 10 asinge njonyo re contract
kali class me
ya paiki ora da kero pare nyombe ipai pinya kale akora nya goche school of which ni ya oroche ya konyiro mwana batingo ikera twa kwa na abana batwa batenga ya chigasi chibese chinichingia lakini karare mereri yako koreki okole school osoke ne certificate na rie market ko widen because these are small market twa ko igorere kwa lenga nero babona school yetu is yani to bwate yendo ke to tanga we are learning without limits to go soma to go kora nyone cha to kunyuga ari obis ntunto liko range kurusko ngatuchiko ntobwata abana baito baketari na bago torosere chai ata small fee ata subsidized fee because they are learning and what they are learning we need to put them into practical so our school is well equipped tigawe bodi bareta abana na ndemi what I normally advise parents ntunto go beteri oreto mwana ogoche skuru gari ngonchukanie birasi round ya yorigereri onye negere chinko ire gere chorigereri orebnere were
iye binde byonsi to akwana arabirora
okora guisanikire yotigo mwana ogasa gosoma immediately
ere bujakima ngocha sinsema ya director tochi ase chisemi chirimo kurwa bose e curriculum yino nchira kiemo kwene kinga nigere yekerengo kigoro sasu mono kenyamolo nga quality na ende nelia eganiri nesere kali
oma etemna natika ukwana normally curriculums tuko designed every nere ko design curriculums na ende every examining body ikego tuwe curriculum ya to kutumia na bono kirana kwa nek ige to te curriculum ya to kutumia na ende to so anita ne to curriculum ya to kutumia so even the assessment ya ko based on the curriculum area na nile na ende kubwa mono in school we normally take our teachers in the workshops elinde ba train more even what they don't know wanakuwa equipped vizuri na ende kubwa mono in school we have highly qualified teachers na abantu basomere tena ndo metoko nyora mono na balimu aba abanke impetrete ase kuna kitu inaitwa body nero ya serikali ego train abalimu na abantu kuchiko train abanafunzi okiro mwana achire in that training mwalimu yako soka kabwate the skills and the methods yo train go all the curriculums to kutumia as a college ego chire certified by the examining bodies chi examine abanafunzi Yeah.
Alright, ere bujakigima ime yoro kongorwa gusi ntobwate amaganio yemeremo ntobwate amaganio amange y'abantu bagetie emeremo naende ntobwate ndokurukunga job market naende maitenga hospital no bwato bumanyane ne mono igoro y'amangana arengete obonchoria tumanya ngonchera kieye emerobere yaino ebekire buna eriegwa address omochando bukubura emeremo nabo igo the job market asama tukabano
nde mana seri swari ilio morali Kenya kero korige tari gusiyo Kenya in racha perspective kero korige rio mochando bye chigasi noro na I thank director chitene wirengeri byogo chaka kisimbat ande kero korige ri Kenya abantu barwete school basomete witend koba abangi kobwa abantu batarachi school esababu nereri orige nyora ne amagana ya agency iba bare gotebanga nigo basomete sinchikoltiki nchiyo lakini orige di una na kwa example abana bitu bakoro kisimbat they are still agency but abana aba nigo bakuru babwate practical skills so ono the Kenyan style yamasoma erochi to the practical skills. That's why I think even the government tend to correct a CPC on board. Na kinata ya wano I thank director because ya tanganelete a government mutuake. Because what the government is doing now, he has already implemented at a certain level. So ono una nagote origeri yes omuchanda noro bwechigas but chinyomba kwa gachuchire omuchanda noro bwe chigas kobeka tore chisuti in fact chisuti embegete ni wanaso nete no mwanafunzi be school so abana origeri that practical knowledge bakonyora they are pride day to day life again to get a lot of capital chigo chakere biashara anyano mwana okore catering tari akora catering agende kuri kugose no teria nene
igo muntu karura ari nko bamure amaigerio aria nga muntu echakire mirimo ya
in fact as all our technical courses and all courses ndobate gentokro entrepreneurial skills whereby bagosomigwa na kiugo chigo chaka ebiashara ose na kiugo chiko kore kosi yeye ebe chibesa origere bono mwana na bakora tailoring isko ga badaga nyetari kwe na in the real sense omwana oyo anyora icharani yo kabwa koriki buyerikire ako chakira chiripea airike omwana tokora branding ne kosi tetaiti munda akobwate koboko asinge njogara sogo chi attachment no ba korole rumwana ona maitegas kuruga ukwanyo wachakire kwanyo achisini na wati omwana royo more okora branding yani ere baka machitiko gotige bilasi njacha ete konyora chigasi so chikosi they are more practical and more money making na inde ono in fact abuna young people we should not rely much on the knowledge of chiega siamongo ese kenye rochi chia siga siamako na boy onyo mwana labda tanyora ti opportunity yokogenda masoma ali bakoroka ngama nene tigago kwa moyo rengo gima wikiro moyo as kisimba we got you covered ogocha ayoche ni kwende ya onyone ya class 8 otebe nchentete yani okubogorie technical course elio moyo okolteki osibogete nero yani osasokerete onye chakere gabu then from there by the time ugokora okonyora you are somebody in the community amangana ya employment ngokora togochi through Kisimba Institute of Science and Technology because abana ona bakunya basomega they are creating also another employment because there are people barabuba bakorate sales and marketing who are looking for orders ye bitamba yebi about you are looking for orders ye chipipe bound so they have omano yo beire mo plumbing or say tailor has created employment for a salesperson has created employment for a wholesaler, he has created an employment for a retailer. So he has created employment for more than 3 people, including him, those are more than 5 people. N'abantu mbalega bakomuhereria. So at the end of the day, ntorgo chigotwara muchando gusi w'abantu batavuga chigasi. Singenja abantu nigo bakonyora berigete, karaberi kire kwanya chibesa chigo circulate within the community. And like one in Togo import keregen to Kurusiko. Twatanga bono nyene yanga, oteta konyore yange ruete Taki, te konyore yange ruete China, nero ruete Kobeka. Lakini bono kero kwanyore these skills and you have that entrepreneurial spirit. Bono, you create your own employment and you create your own cycle of employment opportunities.
All right, ere bunyakigima ingo yira na sense meo director abane kero babere vago chagali omatembaga niri bakora mangana internship attachment na boigo nagani kumanya libori rindenga nchera kieye kero mwana abera konyora maigelio muko banga muko babwatania nabantu bari baraye bako ba emere mu bose bari baraye bako ba amaigeli ali internship na attachment mate amanango na bari chikore chinde banyoranga ba chandikire kigima none konyora attachment yabemere mu mwana ochandika tumanyanga nchera kiyogo cha kwabwatira nabantu bakuremere mu bose baliya bakurwa mangana attachment
libori ligia yumantara lira linaga ni mente gento hospital kwanira umaito muchando otokonyora mono natika ukwana ando muchando ogerete ende kabekirenga gyo chakia college ni mismatch of skills one of the things to akorebuna college ekogera buna kwa buli swali na inchira kitoko ene kiabana kibasomira na ngonyora bale chigasi ngose ngonyora bale they are connected to job market ente kemo tokora bune school bono iga una bono school ile chikosi cha kwanira cha technical una bono tigando mufano electrical installation the teachers bali bakosomi chikosi echi most of them they are engineers umuntu obeire engineer for long what experience over 20 years bono kire basomi we class work there is class work bakolire ukonyora engineer ne what site and takorosi ekosine nyumba bwate tenda ye gorofa kolosi bono at times na bakwira abana aba bakora practical bakora piping umusachi wire and everything kiro mwana akolire gosoma one okonyora obeire connected to the site engineers meteri bakonyora gukora chika stine abana ngosoma bale bado they are now creating a network nemuna combine na nowadays when the what network when the what connection no twara masakara no twara ken still it is nothing gobono ngonyora tole bana create a connection which is the sites isa ko bono bana abana bono bana ba plumbing na abuna twakwana the same case umwalimu ko basomiza an engineer also well known in town ngako kora chigasi gobona abana abakonyora already they have a job market ready uno mwana ukora iko ready na abwate experience na bwate connection na site engineers na ndebono asiri buli lipwa buli how do we manage abanafunzi abakire bakolire no gutwara connection che attachment one of the things to akore mun school is to create connections with corporates with companies na bona school mufano abana bakosoma media journalism ono mwana osoma media mnabona aro sirio bwa matobu yana ndizi tv eise koba umwana ukolire na kandi koso attachment is one goal ngongo make ari na job na kinimbo ato mwana mumplace linga attachment I'm very sure the management they wanga asiki to arosiri
obwa matobia
na ino it is the same thing that we are doing in all fields apart from media abana ba technical already na got na the site engineers they have their connections. In fact, most of these students we have exposed them we don't even have to look for them their attachment okonyora buna ba okore gore they are attached baka abande sa zingino monta kombona na mubatu mwana attachment ya bumu gore acho to attachment because of the kind of work they are doing igobona in school to arosi obwa matobu ya each company na enda bono wanafunzi baito bonse piba uchi okora gosoma they don't strain kuriki attachment bune school ngo tema tore ko baligeria baliba atari konyora we normally try tunawa connect ne bano mwana okora social work na batoko mo connect utinya getali ose county whichever the place umwana okora attachment
Alright, erebe byando chingana abange babero simi morobwen sakya Rafael Obwogo tuned ndani present nikiwa Bonchari Nyange na makwani gocha sema Meren abochere ndo chinga okogoro kwembata korua ikenyege susu goika Kitengela Nairobi following ndo chinga Kefa Nyaribo korua abo basi Bonyakama Esani Catholic ndani mpaka mwisho na abanga wanatukua tumorobirwe nsakia semambi ya abono. Tureta sensemende Edwin Matagaro Brownio Nchari kutoka Estate za Nyariacho, capital city of Nyamira, tuned in. Beatrice Kiyondi following from Valley Arcade Nairobi. Rebecca Bochere Oino following. Ndochenga Lydia Mose from Enkinda following. Ndochenga Honorable Rigwang kwa Kiliga kurua Bombure Chisaro Massive Nikondani na boigo abange niko banda kwa tumurobiri wensaki mwanchu Murenizi TV neto gusanga nabageni baito kurua se eskurwe kurua amaigerio ya kese Impact Institute of Science and Technology mwanchu Murelia on Dizi TV emambi yabono sangana into karengale kya witra se namba yetu SMS 0791928334 asemambi yabono witra somtanda to www.dizitv.net tonyara chinse mirongo bere nanye amatuko atano ime yomoroberio bwensakya ase mambi ya abono tuma amaboli yao anemono igoro ye yingana twende usanga naye mambi abono nabageni baito ase emambi eye igoro ye coast bako babako ruasense SMS no chinga oyo mumanyi morning kama kawaida na inde ime yomorobirensa kena William Mekenya Boniface mumanyi Juda James nabanto bamwa monari onsi no bare ime yomoroberio bwensa kyabene tukuboda tumama boli yao wetira aboigo asense media mitanda o Facebook Nizi TV News digital YouTube Nizi TV News na wetira ase chinjera chonsi chekerero emambi ya abono nigo turabito kwenda sumutimoko oromoke kolene ntobeto kwirana nabagende baito ase mambi abona kwenda kumurekera anemono igoro yobokoleri bweskuru elia ekurwa amaigerio ya Kisi Impact Institute of Science and Technology tobasa gosuka tobasa konyegera
Dizi TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi.
Kisi Impact Institute of Science and Technology ni chuo ambacho kimeidhinishwa na Wizara ya Elimu kupeana kozi mbalimbali. Katika sehemu ya kuwezesha vijana wanatoa kozi kama vile hairdressing and beauty therapy, electrical installation, plumbing and pipe fitting, motor vehicle mechanics, fashion and design na kozi nyinginezo. Pia wanatoa mafunzo ya wanahabari kama vile journalism and mass communication, video shooting and video production, audio production na zinginezo. Wanazo kozi ambazo zinatahiniwa na Kenya National Examination Council NEC na ni kama zifuatazo: Secretarial Studies, Information Communication Technology, Social Work and Community Development miongoni mwa nyinginezo. Pia wanazo kozi zinazochukua muda mfupi kama Computer Packages, Cake Making, Music Production na zingine. Wako na intake kwa kila mwezi. Wanapatikana mjini Kisii katika jengo la Twin Towers ghorofa ya kwanza. Unaweza wasiliana nao kwa kuwapigia simu kwa nambari 0705773142 au 0784663693. Pia unaweza wapata katika mitandao ya kijamii Facebook au Twitter Kisi Impact Institute of Science and Technology. Ni chuo ambacho kinakudhamini.
Welcome to Kisi Impact Institute of Science and Technology.
Enyagetari ya Ram Hospital Kisi nige korwa bokoreri bobo bwenya ase ebirengo begoro. Abokoreri bakorwa ngamona in and outpatient, MCH clinic gose maternity na bagokora consultation, ultrasound, CT scan, X-ray, dialysis, occupational therapy na physiotherapy. Kobwenya bare omuchando bwa maino bwa maiso na boigo amangana yebirore okubarwa goke no kubarwa okonene boigomba bwate eduka ya mariogo ngurwa bare obokoreri bwa ambulance chinsa emeronke bere nanye wancha bare insurance chikobwatia NHIF AON Minute Liason APA Madson Britam Trident na boigo area ya AAR Naboko batarera asenyagitari abo ya Ram angene kigambiro ya Kisii. Gose nabo wa Kisii mwetrase namba 0725150744. Ram Hospital Kisii. Health first and health always.
ayumure migiata kurworo gonkorwo gusi nikisemo chiyetanaine wono nankakiende yonsi tarira eduka ya Enokem Agrovet Limited nichinsage chaye bwenyorera mariogo yugusyarire bimeri mugondo amoyo chimbusuro endagira yetugo embego yetugo amariogo yugo itekenyambi mugondo chi supplement chetugo ebichuchu byogotuga na yanda mange naobare imiyumu chobosongo ansamangacho Akenyoro Farmers Cooperative Plaza angena Market Plaza Oro Sagironde Nigorule opposite Shell Petrol Station formerly Falcon Petrol Station Naboigo Oro Sagironde Nigorule Nsemo ya Jogo angene skuru yobroso ya Jogo Primary Naboigo okoba kirisimi Ilikoma nyamange Enokem Agrovet Limited Growing healthier future one harvest at a time. Kurikira bono ayebunu mwagachi kwa manyire eduka okugenda kujya ibintu byose biriyo gukorera imirimo yawo Osmo Traders Limited nigo babwate kitali cyo kwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igogobeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo ekikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares buna chising chibakuricheze cyo cyonsi showers towel holders soap dishes racks, mirrors na hand basins. Chirangi chonsi chiria chikuburukanibwa ne computer na boigo chiriche spray paints no chire mbabwete chipboard buna chips and boards MDF boards na chip boards ebinto au byokora plumbing buna PVC joints PVC pipes na chi water taps chonsi no chire boigo na bokugura chi curtain rods hood screws chigulu chonsi door locks chi pipe wrench spanners screwdrivers banyore old Sansura building angena Kisii main bus stage guswa Kisimi ase namba enotisano nebire eye mokianda inyeisano enotinye inyeisano nemo Osmo Traders Limited customer satisfaction guaranteed. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi.
Mwanchu muriria Ondizi TV ngo kwalini bene ase ntunda yende entunda ya mwelio imejo muroberio bwensa kia astante kusanga nabagani baito korua ase skure korua amagerio ya Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology babira kusanga nainche amange anemono igoro ya amagerio bakorua na boigo babira kwanera igoro yebintu birbo buate na boigo enchera bandate gusira na kone kinga aboro kia na borokyo bawikira na skuru likibabira konyora meremo talinga nigo kigo cyandika koligia emiremo kubayigeli bali boyigo buna enchira okobago kwenyorera emiremo na boyigo no nayo muntu nyene wachakia emiremo yao sanga naintwe asomtandao o Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News, na utarasa mtandao ito www.ndizitv.net ase imambi yabona ende nabali nibene ase entunda ende imeyo muroberio wenzakia direct inkwira na ase nsemo yao kwa tebanga mubwate aborokia nabali mwana wabakuru wa Maigelio nchera kie moko ene kinga aborokia balia bose mbole mukiobo orabe ko muibulinga omwana ega gocha se skuru ino nigara chiko somigwa naborokia baikira nitekerengo kebwenda te bose bari qualified
endo naga ni gukwanira ende naga kwanira mono unaitwa college umete tole regulated na TVET na TVET ne body is a state department for the magana ya middle level colleges. One of the things we do as a college now to make sure that we are aligning ourselves with the regulations chabekiro because no abali bagosomia se college weka mwalimu gosomia diploma weka kole bachelor's degree mwalimu gosomia certificate weka ba kole diploma because bono una college we have made sure una abalimu bagocha gosomi na abalimu what experience not only experience they are qualified in terms of academics and then na abalimu bibeteire ase Kenya training kwende kana goteke ekorokelia abalimu kwende kwa pedagogy pedagogy ne gento mwana kira chire school of TVET or school inaitwa school of TVET umwana gochia osomiwa mwalimu orokeliwa na kiago somia abana methodologies because umeto konyora abana tali bana bonsi bibo batoko oko understand osoko okubwata ebintu tesemu baro bakubwata bwango baro bakubwata ngora ise kobo mwana oli okubwata ngora obeki naba kubwata bwango aboko nyoro mwalimu ero assume ya bana akoreki ba understand the concept lakini tereri sense kwa mekonyora bana aba tibara understand the concept bya so what we do abalimu abakire bachire school of TVET which bale borokeliwa na kibabwente methodology babwente kutumia to make sure kilo mwanafunzi pi abanafunzi bonsi pi ba understand the concept ubona bali bakosomikisa impact as I want to assure the viewers na balimu bale qualified not only qualified na balimu ba part experience gesa ina korokelia bana yes
ere buya kigimatuko cha sensemo ya sospita ense ito ya Kenya nenda tego sukabusio ne talensi ya Kenya yoka ensengima nenda tego kina ya beri gonchurulia nchera ke moko ne kinga ama soma ya ino na yekerero usinkuru mura Maigelio igiraba amangana ringete chinchera chekerero chokora emirimo
mbe amona se riswalio na buna nachi kabatebanga itobugate the modern equipments echabana bagasomera we are updated ntoma etenga in terms of technology bintu konya bonso libire labda maybe henga kia wakara kwa renge school labda kamera mwarenge gotumeka ne yarenge kamera iri enkoro sai chiachire baka HD 17 so ebintu tobugate ne ebintu bile modern na abantu tobugate na abantu bare well equipped they are because ours is Institute of Science and Technology so in terms of technology itore mutu so every change yakoba in the curriculum we are aware of it every change yakoba even in terms of technology we are aware of it and we impact directly to our students. Kono ntoko imuka tasomero mwana ebinte bikoro kago che market ati komya na ebintu bira modern. Itoko mosomeri ebintu nakine na ikago chi kote yomo omorigerelinga. Enche atogo somia abana itogo somia abana nebintu biri bawo cha komya na biechiro. Ntorigo somia mwana nebintu bitayo. Itoko tumeke ebintu biri biechiro currently osomia mwana. Onye no ne magana carpentry. Nto understand the carpentry ya chiro na onaya nuchi. Ona gabanto bali tumeka randa. Ebago tumeka chi machine. So we are training them because our workshop is well equipped. We are training them na kiba kwando nyone chi machine chiri with technology. Onye na magana tailoring labda bange baito miaka ya maiga barengi gosoma bagotumika chi machine chio kurundi chio kana sai to bachi machine chio kurundi kubaka nestima so echitobugate so umwana oyo taribita kwenda chikomeana bie chiro ostukanga ai kumbe enero ya nkonyero lale school onyetumekire bono kerago soka isiko bone demand ye chiro are were equipped ne demand
Erebe ingwira na sensemo yao director obira kwanera ensemo yokone kinga chisemi chero ne chekerero nona gani kumanyanga inubu na eskuru ekurwa amaigelio maito mwana kago cha kwegeliwa nkamba koranga nigabone tabe ga kwegeli chinsemo chinsemo chubugi ma social life na boygo enchirabe oneta komanya buno omusaye bosubuno mwana inu amaigelio chisemyo kamukuru bose naende nkwege ne kimorengo kini muri mwana orondat
ento naga nikora menta nyuma tra kwiraniria aseke ento yo menta kwaneira ono igo isikurigereria as a country we are changing the system of education from 844 to CPC lakini manyabono CPC ya kwenda from mpaka secondary ono higher level learning unawone college ne university now we are now introducing a new system called CBET competence based education training ono as a college as we speak to introduce a new council which we examine yamatem called CDAC CDAC one curriculum development assessment council one CDAC ye nero bone which we examine abana mate engineer abana inonyeto engineer to asometube konyuru mwana awasomwe binte binge lakini genda ko chutumia naika muyoka so we start focusing on one thing ikimwana gwenda kokora konyo kukanete kosomera go nige ntogete somere kiyoka instead of somwe binte binge at the end of the day you end up doing one thing lakini one as a college we also trying to align ourselves so that because school ya bana bono bakora CPC ndoko walete system ya bono gatugendrete ntego swanana as a college we are also introducing that system and abanafunzi mbaro bangire bono kwenye soma and we are preparing which could receive abanafunzi aba CPC that's one another one na commenta series wali kwa bolio minta as a college we have put some subject which are compulsory for students ne ono mwana okora course yene yonse ne bana yoko boko ne whichever the course mwana yikira goswa ukai ili communication skills which is very fundamental wiko mwana ili kuna kinonya okora application umeto mwana bawo gokora ne course ya beauty as much as ta quality form 4 lakini mwana na wabwenta kumanyana chao communicate na chao wento no apply gas ono that unit ya communication skills it's a unit which cuts across and another unit which we have put is entrepreneurship skills which also cuts across wanafunzi wanasoma and another unit which we have put now is computer in our college computer is compulsory and it's just like an offer imagine umwana ocha gusoma any course ne banoko ne yaba oko ne bawiche bate course yabanda okora enteke tangani umwana wikete was computer keraso kirete was computer then from there umanya kongendra okora chikosi ichinde why because we school one system we una kwateva things are changing not only in Kenya worldwide we cover now exposed with technology tonyana abantu bakora biashara nowadays they are doing it online we so kora biashara online you will get more clients than okora using the manual or the local means or methods we are trying also to align ourselves wana wanafunzi bali baito bakoswa mali banyura the modest skills chiko bakonya se market na lieko nyoro mwana achokoleke ntonyo na bwate skill yo kolege ntekyo ono ngicha series wali kwambuliria omwanafunzi ogoswa kisi impact apart from gosoma une college we nurture them not only academically we also nurture them spiritually une school we have a church in fact we have fellowships which some of you hata umekuja umeminister abanafunzi na on Fridays ndobwate program abanafunzi bakora masaba on Wednesdays ndobwate afternoon abanafunzi bakocha for prayers and on Fridays then we do the service and on Sunday also we do the service so mwana gacharia apart from no soma we also try as a school to make sure mwanafunzi wabe nurtured spiritually bono mwana ko grow all round Yes.
Erebuya kigima asensemo ya sospita anemono aina utenita mangana alia yobwerelia public relations na yobwenrete kwene kinga kwa biro kwene kinga ebichengi ya yeskuru ya birige osoka ensemelia esiko eratoka nga muntu taisa negeti na alia yandrete aseskuru yosenebo tebenga no moro kyo ndata ko Somalia ruchinga omoro kenjera to yateli enjererengia mubwate enjero montara beka kurubire rubiae na enjera kemoko mugwa address chi concerns kira nyalekana ngumuntu akanire school fees kintira reflect bune bwenrete tumanya ngo kimoko mukurigeria nawe kumulikira amangana alia asaba ndataresaneka ase school yin
na maana unakuwa audit swali hilo na voigo ento direct ibakego na apart from spiritual yabana and then go participate into community activities ngo enda tori twabusa chichiro ngo enda tori twarora nyore mbari baremire so as a school we are all round ngo ira tora abana baito chief trip bagenda bachikorana ki michiende menyete so we are all around, we don't build omwana enchire ya moyoka na kwa bodi diswali linde na ki keromo yo maybe school fees yata reflective ya and untobate channel of communication na ayamo na bogo to address through our Facebook page ekoroku Kiss Impact Institute of Science and Technology kosigo reka kisti yachire na boigon tobugate enamba yesimi ere 07 05 77 31 42 enamba yunyore WhatsApp no tole you just text, we can call you kose nabo konya obwate serious concern tobwate credit aerike please call, we can call you nabo igo tobwate nambende ya Airtel ere 07
all right kwende te ko eliga
84 66 36 93 07 84 66 3693 chinambe chiaya buno go takakende jonse tete kubori go ye school chinambe china chiogwaka kose nabokoli kanyone please call me nabogotori kanyora WhatsApp tore to ata no biara technological college so WhatsApp ntoro YouTube ntoro Erika Kiss Impact Institute of Science and Technology we are all around the mitandao yonse
kinkwira na nsemo ya director umoroke na robere otegere mambia bono obeire gakogo kiwane skuru ino tumanyia ngo mbinto kie bikoganirwa na endenchera kieye arabe gagosoa bose kwirikia ne skuru ino
mbia naende komenta nyuma tarakira nirikyo isakoba usino mwanafunzi wate complain unoyo menta kwanire jobs chetu njira open in fact sisi tume provide environment friendly environment na wanafunzi abanyene kwa chale bako bisiane tureza complain tureza complain akini oyo kogoa osoyo utego twara chinguru ose obole mbuo ko chobisi you can talk to the principal we have the administrators isa ko bata ko nyara ukwana osegenda bwa tegerera very sensitive as school ndo bwa suggestion box asomuntu asaba wanafunzi bawo drop and I'm the only person who will suggestion box here uligile complaints cha wanafunzi atena ya address them na ende buna ateba in case konye okugani ngoro kuruisi kolende umatena nyaya na wokutwara some issues maybe kwa rolile you can do the call or the message through the numbers ya mepeana igo bono guchira go kuhira ni yali boli kwa bolia kwa boli buna na kieko na ki ebiwango okugani kokosoa requirements ina tebaiga aso mwana otete cha wasoma or maybe was ne diploma or ikatwale C- engineering requirement intangani gose ne certificate or ikatwale D+ or C+, akini bono isa koba umwana uyo tabwati grade ekyo nena kandi kosoma nabawo cha kole chikosi cha maoko yo chinchikana we don't have entry requirement ngendo yoko kana ne ID yoka ogoja nero bakora matemo asaba na bakoso abonsi we need a passport nene toka nitiga tuyikuru kwi ID national ID isa ko mwana tabwate national ID na botutumie birth certificate akonya go process kwende ID na ende isa ko babono mwana ogoso diploma ngo antore research ya form 4 so to confirm as to wente kumubeka na ende babono gento kende ngani to commentabo in tune school uno yo mitana atika ukwana ndo we are flexible learning mode na mwana ukugani ucha na bako soma maambia ndo bwate morning classes ndo bwate full time and ndo bwate evening classes we also have weekend classes apart from those part-time classes we have also introduced an online class bono ise ko mwana na rogareti ucha kusoma Kiss Impact lakini bono naliga egasi yako kora tai konyora ibago sekurware as you are speaking itu bata abana basoma ku Garissa tubata abana basoma ku Roma Bay tubata abana ku Western to train online so we have online classes bono njirendete yo ose gitamiro kene ngeyo umwana arabeke na ta ko gusoma Kiss Impact
ere bujya kigima korende karo mubwate emeroberio ejo amoko bamukurwa ni matenga mubwate chi intake ina cha senzemo ya hospital ninkora okwanera mono igoro chi intake muko bamuko enana
mbia mona seriswari erio ase chi intake ntobwate intake agendrete bonaiga intake yuege ere korubona mbaka chitariki 15 babono abaibori reta abana baino basomete ate angocho ganyela intake ya January uno manya ate ankonya kuganyore okonya go umwa miaka yo mwana ankonya guskere anyore nge miaka 20 iwe ka January ikite 21 areto mwana nchui karansa ni school kamba na intu umwana chake gosoma chibesa labda tali mwana funzi okoligi school fees no moigori okoligi areto mwana ila na chaka goshukulika koligi school fees no mwana agosoma na boigo director nkaite na wate good news ase bali bakosoa intake ya September na ndake na kia toretirega tangasira abantu baito bagusi egere bareta abana basome na kero ogo chabo soa director RS requirements shogocha o inchu school no tore toko ganyete toko aligani na tobe abamo tobe community mo ya Kiss Impact Institute of Science and Technology
kinkwira na sense mo daktari utabago twa amangana maya inkyora be commentera igoro yenganeye abeire gago kwana na endo kwanire process yo go apply amanya go twa amangana maya
bono ase chintake chibuna chikwaneire normally to gutwara January intake May and September for these long term courses ntwate baye diploma ko ire myaka ebere certificate mwako yomo chateke ndiko chikoira 6 months igo lakini bono chikosi chateke ndiko ntwate monthly intake yani umwana bagocha this month at next month at even November ichikosi chamo gotwa kwana bona yo kumina yo gusona ya manche electrical izo zote ichikosi icho chitobwata monthly intake umwana bago 10 month angego soma na ende bona matemu bago kora gatatu mwaka asa abana bago kora chikosi chamo hoko matemu bago ba April yako ba August na ndama ko ba December won itukurike likiro mwana aja to chakera ko balera alia so mwana so ere tote mwana so ire this month ndo so next month ndo bwate system yo ko accommodate abana bonse na ntubona tukurike lite time mwana so no to kwanza ko bara 6 months na 6 months chikoera mwana yo okora matemu na inde wetani ayu chikosi to bwata short courses chiro chito bwata intake on a daily basis na bone course ya computer hona bogo tunaambao ni register na kuchaka there is no requirement. In fact, the short courses we don't have any requirement. Umwana gani ni school fees yoka gocha akanya unachikosi bona chama oko ameni ni uchi short courses na wana kusoma computer okora magana graphics kusoma magana accounting packages chikosi chonsi pino na wanafunzi abao kora civil engineering na wao bakora architectural design programs like AutoCAD ArchiCAD program chitwa kwana ile chiro chito kwata daily intake not even weekly daily intake una to kwana ga wanafunzi bane baro bane to admit kwa lero you want to what a procedure you admit abana on a daily basis for short courses, monthly basis for technical programs osikosi chama huko na ende for these other courses September January na May na kyo mwana bono ko bane go swara apply egente getangani nabo gocha bake skuru nabo gocha physically bake skuru for application ose chinamba nchiro nanira nabo gwake simi osotome ujumbe on WhatsApp. And then from there we guide you on how to submit your documents. In fact, when we go to no what the documents china na kwa na no what result slip, no what ID or say birth certificate, you can send those documents to the WhatsApp numbers na then we reach you. We guide you on how you complete the process. Igobo no asaba na bali ba join January. January this intake, this September intake. We have good news for you. The good news is this. Abanafunzi bono bali bako join this month. Before the end of this month. Ngochi tole kwa rosary 20% yes school fees. You know 20% is a lot of money. In each way no ando ewe pasari, it is even more than your pasari MCR kwa ose gavana. Ose no ane ne mpira kwa. Gone chiba singe bono take this advantage. Nende tu agote bi ise ko batora kora computer o gane te ko somati sata courses on bitara to go train us. That's an offer we have given to our students who join KISS Impact. You go take this chance to akwalika nilichwake skuru na ndio yo mitakwanira to soko bana wasiwasi ina bono maybe na kiba kwanira magana mangeiga usino bokora bakabwata inchwake skuru erorere ayiko kuhandi ko bolina kinaje class correct ko mwata bakire will take you there, you get certified and you make the payments. So digangire bagere yonse kwalika nia abana bali balisiko nonya bali bakolete kale nene lima ete no nyambaro bali bakora nene abandi bakora kali maybe school fees yakabora. Take this chance inchwake school galia nabo we can always understand ko bwata kibeza chingeiga nabo konya kobeka to wanchiro nya osoma gukora kyake ege tukenda kandi komento moralia nyuma ntara akora ento bwata abantu baso mini babwato bomanyi meta abantu baro maybe osino mondo rukwagacha akonya kohereria agatwara skill ndobwata abantu maybe umuntu onya ose bwate friend oko connect estima nera bono from a friend otwara do manyi uko kubeka estima akini umuntu yabono umuchana bako chwatwara mbako egwagasi omaite for you to be given a contract osote ne nyumba buneye kubeka estima ose ko kubeka manje oikobe certified ayabona umuchana abantu bako batwara ibara abo bonto boko for all through bako abantu boko. So what I'm advising is this: konye ko bwate skill, maybe you are in the field yo kubeka estima, you are in the field yo kwagacha, you are in the field ya plumbing, lakini to what certificate we are also giving you an offer inchwake school abari mboito ba examine barrego not qualified operamate then we give you we book for the exams okole naye na yogo cho naye na na bodo la bargaining power when wogo cho sabe contract yo kubeka manje you have papers you go. We are also giving you that offer inchwake school galia. Our teachers, they will examine you. Barrego not qualified. If you are not, they will advise you what you can do or what you can be taught for a short period operamate. Yes.
Ede bujakigima kinkwira na sensemo ya Yesus Peter tumanyango nga yeiga mugotoka tratkirabanga omuntu nkurwale ensemiye ya kurwa bose mosocho tutebenga naro kurwa ensemo nyamira naro kurwa ensemo elia ya tutebenga nkeroka naro kuruchi ensemo chogembo tumanyinga nga ibakabanyora
ambia mona serisori yo KISS Impact Institute of Science and Technology ni gotogotoka umuchito KISS Town ko korwa ebenyamira kwaru ebe musocho kwaru ngikirugore gari stage korwa ikigwe stage gari ogotira straight oike roundabout ito ya capital otambuke mate oike agakane para ya agakan o tambuke buno umuntu kwenda emamate igari street area mocheri street endenere kwenda on your right o yogenda on your right oike building ikoro ku Twin Towers ose abo manyete Equity Bank o Equity area nkoro the stage brother Equity nkoro oike Equity Bank para mate egoro fanere koro ku Twin Towers naende kosonye kumete gorobe koro ku Elim Center rogoro ya ento gate Twin Towers Twin Towers eko ikirororo ogo soime igotore 8 floor kokonyora nkorosori gutira stairs ndobwate lift ogosoe lift wasoe ndege waline ndege gwika Minnesota 8 floor wikire 8 floor wa gunego kwegera in fact wikire Kisii Impact because 8 floor ingima Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology igobono ti moro sa goseko wikire bosongo gokoranga nongosire na inde tigangirorere nambe yo ase faida yo murigerere ogo nabo gwake simye nambe ya 07 05 77 31 42 ose 07 84 66 36 93 ogwake simi nabo togoto momonto ose nabo ngochanko inchwe komonyene nkorete bakesku totageti montasire bosongo totagekero montache bata Kisii Impact nchwaye okore consultation nchwaye origererie no maya bantu bari batanga kogenda nyawa negere chibare bunere nchwaye origerie gere chieito origerie class yito bia magoko ore nkinkie kabana abagosomera aso korigerio okwo naboranya gokobo mwanafunzi karibu sana Kisii Impact ntwanje tabantu bonsi na ntobarigane timwensi
ere bujakima asenge nchono chebire kumnyoka kimana ene ntuligetiko chukora ntaetenge omo director ali bagali omweli gotokwanira asemambi abono ototebinga ningi keragere omoro kigwa obera kora eskuru ya Else form 4 atige chi college chons pichire bosongo ache Kisii Impact
ebintu nebinge nwane kisa chaira kida bongo kwanira bike tigo kora kwana enteke tangani twakwanire we have well equipped and modern workshops echabana bakosomera na twakwanira amangana ya trainers we have qualified trainers na ende bokubwa mono abali babakosomi we have said mbale qualified not only qualified but they are experienced teachers na ende twata una intune school normally ngokonya turabana kuri ki attachment aso mwana ulio ukorera gosoma tari guchusumbo kana ende na attachment yako liki because we have already created a network, we have the connections na each company na even the places yabana baguchwa kora chi attachment and again to kenda na twakwanira even the way we teach our students is practical based education unabona abama hoko theory 10% tokoba lakini practical si chile chinyingi yugo ukiro mwana basoma ntwaro nano mufano ingincha abana bagosoma bakora gosoma lakini batanya ku interact with teriri igento kiri bagosomera so as a college we have always trained ourselves to make sure mwana ka kolire ngochiare onyore gasimotu na ndese ko buna nchibono mo director also have friends working in different companies ono kero opportunity ya achire I also consider my students una isi konyore gasnere ndisi TV ga I will consider my students because my students always nande abana funzi baita bange they are working in these local media stations why because kero mwana ko and attachment because of the kind of training toko abana aba ye bagochibategaragaria ase college kiri ase kwendeli nande twakwana about flexible learning umwana yana bagoche time akanti gosoma na bagocha mambi na bagocha marobagosa na bagocha weekend na bagocha online can start flexibility ya masomo nindi ko wa mono Pune college twancheiwe we are certified and then tuntubwate all the certificates kirichiganiri kwana na masomo igo ibintu nebinge lakini bono ntete gukora kwana iga ayo murigere onde ndigereti ise ko bano anori otore cha to basakobwa into Kisii Impact to basakobwa into tukwane ne bazasa nchiyo we can talk na kyogwa kana ngona kingo chikokora abantu mpareka iga imbeti mention ba bakonya kuntumira chimessage ya following life ndo watu muntu kufikta is one of my church members ya kwandina na ambwateti online ndo watu yondo kwa madam is our secretary our registrar Madam Gloria is also watching akwandina on behalf of the staff vale school because abane classes vale na watu mira maika bonse pia saba abatubati ase muroberio na ende even my wife is also watching na ina nera mambi na kingo changu watcher is also watching na abana bonse baba batubwatiri igo na akirimbya mona seribaga ngakiene na ende gitoranyore ribageri nabo tugoja tudonge gosemi tudendera gosemi abantu baito ubuya bwa masomo. Yes.
So spita insita ekemo tumanyie karwe ngana yayo mweryo.
Engana ne omweryo omorigereria mwanchwa to inchwa some Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology leta abana bao onyo gukorigia se omwana garanyarega okino round morete Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology na karai kirororo ayande tutigere tumushughulikere abo mwana umya abo mwana society etagete omwana serikali etagete omwana umuntu ndogwensi ukorike gas atagete na boigo na inche mbaro baturigereti one of na espon nyangate na baba mtenga na baturigeti kurusengereri na boigo na abande na umyondieki no mwanafunzi wo cha Kisii Impact Institute na erago mtenga na baturigeti Alfred Oga na boigo na boigo ribana Bishop Stephen Osiemo na Reverend Sparo Osiemo na bandi gereti kuru nyomba letimba kwani na bonda siarero macha bara send me ndagera mbiamuna.
All right, amwanchumurelia on Dizzy TV abuna abageni baito baberekerana ase studio mo director Patrick Naboigo hospital tenete amangana alia alengete obwerelia basangire na intwe amange nemono igore chisemi bakorua ase aborokia au na aborokio bawikirana ase eskuru eyugwabiro kumanya amange bagukwanira Naboigo alia bakorua ni machinga gwetera ase kusanga gwete mambia bono nobe gokwe manyinga nebanga no morokia kwa biro kora form 4 bose musayolenkaga ali usirenkiora kore Kisii Impact yaberege kwali bagali abene anemono ase okwegendereria ase chisemi nyoranga chisemi na chio ekebungu gyoka kerabe koleta amonchorerio ase ense yaito ya Kenya letena nkuru kwa Job Maangi nabakone kinga chibiche chibwego na malio gya wekerere ase nchera Jobo ikenonere Abigail Nyanchama tini kumweba Frida Kerubo utato kubwatera na korwa semambia renge ntambe wekera ase chinga kichya abono asikolenda bagakongali bagali abene elindego sanga nabageni baito wekera litkoli yankyo nabaganeirie oboligeria obya imeya Dizzy TV nabwo obwanso omugusi twara lituko ligia.